This is the question. It states for D polygnac theorem Q4. Find the power of 80 in 180 factorial. If you haven't seen the previous three questions, it will be difficult for you to understand this, and you must see the previous three for better clarification. Otherwise, I am going to start with the solution. As I have already told in my previous video that you can apply the de Polignac's theorem to any number, any composite number. It must be applied to prime numbers only. So how can I write 80? 80 can be written as 16 into 5. 16 is 2 to the power 4. Hence 2 to the power 4 into 5 basic prime factorization. 2 to the power 4 into 5. Change the color of this. 80 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. Then we first apply the Polignac's theorem on 180 factorial and 2, then with 5. Let's start. I have already told many times about the de Polignac's theorem short form. If you don't know, you must see the previous videos. I am doing the short form only. First we have to divide 180 by 2. It comes to for 2. Let's write here for 2. For 2. It will be 180 by 2 is 90. Then 90 by 2 it comes to 45. Then 45 by 2. What is 45 by 2? It is 22.5. Right? 22.5 floor function 22. Then it will be 22. This is 22. Then 22. Then 22 by 2 is 11. 11. Then 11 by 2 is 5.5. Floor function of 5.5 is 5. Then 5 by 2 is 2.5. Floor function of 2.5 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. And after 1 everything goes 0. No need to write that. This adding this which comes to be equals to 176, right? Yes, 176. Now for and then for 2 to the power 4 it will be divided by 4. For 2 to the power 4 it will be 176 by 4 and 176 by 4 floor function. Now also floor, because if something remainder comes then it will be divisible by 2 to the power 2 square or 2 cube, but not by 2 to the power 4 exactly, as 4 floor function. But here it comes to be accurately 44. No decimal, no use of 4 functions, such that. Now for 5. Here I am writing for 5. For 5. For 5. For 5, 180 by 5, it comes to be equals to 36. 36 by 5 is 7.2, which is nothing. Floor function of 7.2 is nothing but 7. Then 7 by 5 is 1.4. Floor function of 1.4 is 1, and it stops here. And now this is again 44. Now see, now we haven't to do anything. 44 and 44 comes, so power of 18 144 is 44. But if the two things come separate, two different things come in between the for 2 and 5 or any other number of the prime factorization, then you must see the lower one, which is less than, then it will be divisible by the greater number. I think I can explain the thing. Like for 80, for 5 it comes 40, and for 2 it comes 44, then we have to take 40, not 40. The thing is like that. Hence answer is 44 for this question. Let's recapitulate how I have done that. First we have to divide 180 factorial, power of 180 80 in 180 factorial. 80 have come to be 2 to the power 4 into 5. Then we have used the polygnac theorem for 2, which comes to be equals to 176. Then for 2 to the power 4, I divided it by 4, it comes to be 44. Then I used the polygnac theorem with 5, which comes to be again 44. Then comparing both the cases, answer came to be 44. Thank you.